So Wallycar has made it all the way down to London, and tomorrow we're going to meet up with 250 other Land Rovers, including Blue Tit with Tatty. But before that, we need to get him looking a little bit more Christmassy. So to do that, I've called in the big guns.
Where do you want us?
So let's do the lights and that bit first. Mind out. This is precious, so just mind out. Mind out.
What decoration's this?
Right. Let's do this.
Oh my God.
What?
Hold on, this is precious, everyone.
This is precious.
Oh, look at the nest of mess there. Oh, that one's already damaged. Look at that.
Yeah, that's the one that. Who damaged that?
You when you threw up the mezzanine, probably.
Right, please stop fighting and just put the lights
Who
on.
damaged that, Matthew?
I'm not getting involved.
Sure.
Where's this going?
Well, that's in the wrong place.
Oh,
It
where's
goes
it
on-
meant to
It goes
go?
in the front.
Oh,
in the
there's
grill.
choreography for this?
Yeah, there is.
I've not had the call
We've
sheet,
made
sorry.
a plan. Nothing's happened. Everyone's just shouting at each
Here
other.
we go, ready? Right, here we go.
Here we go, we're away.
Here we go,
we're
this is
away.
progress.
Right, yeah, hand it to me. Pass it.
You're just scraping them all along the
Oh.
Well, hang on a minute. That ain't gone quite right. Yes!
There we go, right.
Hold that up. I'll get the cable ties. Teamwork.
Right.
Makes a dream work.
I just feel like I'm being told what to do.
So
you want?
No, I don't want you to do that at all, actually.
How's it going up there?
It's good. Where did you steal this from?
We
Steal it.
just found it and cut it down.
You didn't think to cut the stump off, just leave.
Well,
12-footed
yeah,
stump.
we just because it just then it goes all the way along. You see?
It's a long wheelbase tree.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. I don't know why I have no reason to hold this.
Right, don't you break that.
One
not
now
gonna
into
break
the
it.
And make sure you get the top at the top.
Ow.
What's the top?
But see, you don't know.
Lewis.
Because that's not the top.
It's a circle. It's
go.
all the same.
Two
Doesn't have a
high,
top.
one low.
This bit is not the
You
top.
see that? That's what you put at the bottom with the cable ties. So please don't give me any of that because that is the top. Actually, no, because there's cable ties.
Well, that didn't work, did
I'm
it?
lying.
So you're
I'm
going to come
lying.
at me again?
I'm lying.
No, because look, these went on the
Where are you going with these, please, Lewis?
one there
Yeah.
and one there because I pre-planned. What's the matter? Oh, it's underneath my foot. What are you laughing at?
Can someone tell us
I feel ever so festive and you're just bickering around the...
Yes, but
He's got his woolly hat on and everything. It's Christmas time. I'm just going to come to the front
that's
of the
it.
car where
That
there's
3
less
mil
chaos.
away
and there's
from
just a bit
where
of
I
peace and
had
quiet.
it.
Good sense.
That is
We can just cut them off and move them, yeah?
festive.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Bauble
Isaac,
is
I've
bang
got a
on here.
really interesting view right now.
Nice.
It's the tree is just sort of coming out of you, and it's
Well done.
it looks
Nice.
great.
So you're
It looks
happy with
great.
it?
This is possibly the most stressful thing I've ever done.
Please let go of your hand.
I'm not going to lie, I'm having the time of my life.
They're quite skilled mechanics,
You
two
don't
of
look- you
those,
don't look
and they are
like
being defeated by a Christmas tree on top of the defender.
My life,
Life.
and I never
thought
think this way before.
And now they're singing.
Because I swear, I
This
don't know the
is
words.
I don't
You
know why
don't
you're
even know
here,
one.
To be honest.
Because we wouldn't be here if it weren't for me.
Ah, are you my dad?
Sorry.
Well, you just said you wouldn't be here without me.
Where are you going with that? I think that's a little bit rude.
Are you my
Rude.
dad?
I think there's a quite a obvious reason that I am not your dad.
Why is that?
Well, you just have to use your imagination.
Height.
Height.
Jingle bells,
Right,
jingle
please stop
bells.
rocking.
It's going well. It's not they're not quite up to my level of perfection.
Oh my god, he's adorable. And now can we lift?
I think that gives me more presence.
Yeah, that looks better.
Thank you.
That does look better.
I'm better.
So what I'm thinking is we sit that like that.
And just hope we don't break down.
What's...
That would be okay.
Let's ask Mr. Perfectionist.
That should be sat like. It should be sat like that. It should be sat like that.
Hold on, if I hold that like that, look, and then twist the steel bits too.
Happy?
Happy is a strong word for it, but yeah, okay.
Where should we hang robins? We've got 3, so we either go... Oh no, we just murdered another one.
It's just gone under the car.
Oh no.
No, you haven't.
Give me the robins.
Oh shit.
Right, so no, bro, get away. Move away.
Izzy,
No, I'm
just-
gonna get the last
You're
one.
destroying everything, man.
I'll take charge.
Ow.
You can lead the
Do you want a
way.
bauble for yours? End of your tree.
Oh, yeah.
Fun for now.
Ready? You ready? You ready for this?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that is
Yeah.
quite good.
One either side?
Yeah.
That is going to be awesome. Right, make sure we do this.
A defender's a little bit like a Wellington boot, isn't it? 'Cause it goes through the water, it's fine. No? All right. That's a really crap metaphor. Stop!
Yeah, cool story.
What's that? What?
What was that?
My Robin's gone.
What Robins?
What Robins? Where's your Robin?
Someone thought Brian taken them.
Have they?
They were watching his mate.
Did you leave him on the
Little girl
side?
just said.
Go and take her out, Matt. She's about 4 years old.
I've not got your Robins. Mate, you must have been just chatting about them and they've flown off.
It's you.
Why are you going through my pockets?
Where are my Robins?
Your Robins are nowhere to be seen.
I haven't got much in life and they were my friends.
That was all you had going for you.
Oh, Matt.
Where are they?
So he's got the Robins then.
He has got a lot going for him. He has.
Someone
Should we
has to
turn the
drop.
lights on?
Yeah. Let's turn the lights
And see what it looks like.
Wait.
Oh.
Hey, actually that looks really good. Look at that.
Yes! Amazing!
Oh, yeah.
I think that looks really sweet. Adds
Yeah?
a bit of white into it, otherwise it's very red heavy.
Actually taking a liking to those, haven't you?
One's got no beak.
Yeah, one's got no beak.
Don't, because he'll get mad. You know what he's like with his animals.
How much is it worth?
You know what he's like with his animals.
Anything. Look how carefully he's holding them though,
Oh my
because you
God.
genuinely care about them.
Oh, he tipped him over.
Now it's lost in the brown leaves.
Imagine that
no.
was real. Imagine it was a real animal.
With all the decorating completed, we took Wallycar on a tour of London to see if the public approved.
And to you too. Merry Christmas.
We're so good at someone's getting married!
Congratulations!
Wait, I don't think
How many people are smiling?
it is making people happy.
How much joy we're bringing to people right now.
Just bringing the Christmas spirit.
People were absolutely loving Wallycar, so hopefully he'll be a standout tomorrow at the Landy meet.
We're here at the Land Rovers of London Christmas meet. Yes. And it is potentially the best day of the entire year. I'm just sitting here and looking at Land Rovers. It's fantastic. It's the best day ever, but Izzy didn't know that it was a competition, and there is a giant Lego set up for grabs for the best dressed. So the game's very much on. Do you think you've got a chance? It's unlikely. Some of the outfits here are pretty mental, but you've got a tree. And,
I have got a Christmas
and
tree.
bows and a working Wallycar.
I do have a working Wallycar.
And an MOT.
And an MOT.
And tax.
Yes.
Hooray!
I've even done some welding.
I've
I
heard.
welded him up myself.
I'm amazed, honestly.
Before the convoy left, we decided to have a look around at all the Landies.
This is a Land Rover.
What? No.
This is
also a Land Rover.
Yeah, I don't know if you know. This is a Wolf because you see,
We're
right,
in the
this
middle
is
of the road
an
now. Let's
ex-military
go down
one.
this
Look, because it's got the big box.
What's the box for?
And that means that they put lots of bombs in it.
Oh, okay. Now look at that for a lineup.
So that's a 101.
What's that mean?
Full control. It basically means that it gets about 1 mile to the gallon.
It's got no roof on it.
I love it when they do that.
See, yes, that's what Tit can do. Also, you could do that with Wallycar. What? Theoretically, you
What,
can.
take everything off the
You can take
side?
everything off. So this is, if the badging is correct, then this came out.
Oh my God, she knows
Well,
so much.
basically, so they did
feel
the
really
they did the
inadequate.
110,
Right.
and then they did the 90, but for not very long because the 110 and the 90 are like mid-production cars. They didn't really do them, so everyone's like, Blue Tit is a Defender. Blue Tit is not a Defender. Blue Tit is a 90, but this is the 110 who came out just before, and they've pimped a bit. But basically, this is Blue Tit's big brother,
Okay,
but
Blue
just
Tit's big
smarter
brother.
and probably with less rust. So this is a Puma because it's got the lumpy bonnet, but they could just put a Puma bonnet on it. Very
I love
festive.
it to tartan.
This
What
is
have you got to tell me now then about this one?
this is a Series 2 109.
Okay.
I think, but it might be a Series 1 109. Hang on,
very
can I
big.
say it twice so if I get it wrong you can cut the right bit out. This is a Series 1 109.
Nice.
This is a Series 2 109.
Very cool.
There we go.
Is that a standard colour or?
Do you
is
see
it
what I did there?
like
I love
that?
what you've done there. I love that.
Look at
the little Series 1's for sale.
But it's so sweet.
It's adorable.
Yeah,
How
but
much is it?
probably about 50 grand. Cool Tim.
That's 50 grand.
Well, it probably between 20 and 50.
For that?
Shut up, don't be rude.
I love that.
Look at
Just what? They had this vehicle, okay, not this one exactly, can literally go to Singapore and back. It's the first car that 80% of the developing world has ever seen. You don't understand. It's
She's
so
on. Yeah,
cool.
she's got us back. She's on.
It's so cool.
Oh, someone's
past
saying
10.
something important.
No way, there's an actual tannoy. We've got
5
6
minutes.
minutes.
Let's see
Should
what
we
he
go
says.
back?
Hang on. What did you say, mate?
I say good morning.
Good morning.
At 10 past 10.
10 past-
We need to go.
You found the Land Rover of London and the Tim Foster Instagram. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
My pleasure.
We can't get all the way around. We've got 5 minutes.
nearly round, aren't we?
No, we made it one side of the square.
Right.
We've got 3
Well, if we
sides
hop
of
for it.
We're not getting all the way around in 5 minutes.
I mean, we could run.
We can run. This could be good.
Come on, run. Go, go, go. We need to Strava this.
Yeah, but I don't run.
Come on, come on, come on, let's go. You're so great to do
You're
that.
gonna have an asthma
That's
attack.
cool. And it's got big brakes on it.
You
That's
love
really
green.
cool.
Should we go right here? And
Yeah.
like run
Oh no, this is the Land Rover Classic Trophy, which is like the Camel Trophy
Oh
one.
my God.
That one. It's like Land Rover Classic bought it. It's super cool. It's about £7 billion, but it's really meant to
But
be
it is
cool.
cool.
Yeah.
Cool. They've wrapped their Land Rover
Come on.
in a bin
We
bag.
need a jog on.
In
We
a
need a
bin
jog.
bag.
Come on.
I don't jog.
Love it, sir. Excellent outfit.
Love what you've done with it. We're not going to make
We're
it.
halfway round now, so we
We're
might as well
not going to
keep
make
going.
it in 5 minutes.
There we go. Look, we've got the racing lines.
Oh, is that Range Rover?
Oh,
This
this
thing's
is
long.
Nolan. He's super lovely. I met him yesterday. Oh, no, they put
I
a
can
bow
see
on
Blue
this.
Tit. I can see it.
No, you can't.
I can see the triangle.
No, you can't.
No, you
I can see it.
Oh,
straight
it's over
ahead.
there.
Now that is just gorgeous.
Where is my car? Where is my car?
DJ.
Look, it's got snowflakes on it.
A snowflake.
That's mental.
That's beautiful. Very, very puny.
I found them! I found them!
Break.
There they are.
It's all too much. It's okay. Too many beers.
Can't do it. Too many Land Rovers.
Too many Land Rovers.
Oh.
We finally made it back to our cars and joined the convoy.
Oh, I've got second gear!
Whoa. That was fourth, but yeah. Fourth gear, you meant.
Happy Christmas. Hello. I love your landing. Welcome back to Blue Tit's tour of London. You find us in Westminster. You are now joining us. Welcome to Buckingham Palace. Sadly, no royals in. But if they were, I'm sure they'd like to be a feature. But sadly, I think they had prior engagements. Obviously less important. What colour is that? What's it?
Green.
What green?
What's yours?
Blue!
Green.
Amazing!
I found that quite stressful.
I'm slightly exhausted.
Yeah, my foot from that clutch,
You're not
my
used
whole
to
leg
a
was
clutch.
like, ooh. Yeah.
Did you try low box?
What's that? Where are we going to go next then? Because we've got to take these somewhere cool, I
I
think.
want to go somewhere really far away.
Okay, that's a bit brave. Where are we thinking?
Like Morocco.
Okay.
But
You know what? I love it. Yeah, why not?
okay.
Sorted.
And we can go camping?
And we can camp.
Would you like to? Can you camp?
Maybe I'll just sleep in the back of mine.
Or we can get a hotel.
I'll get a hotel.
You get a hotel, I'll
you
camp.
camp. Okay, sorted.
Oh look, he likes our bell.
Aw.
Cute.
All right, that's a plan. We're
Deal.
going off-road.
Bye. See ya. Well,
See you
off we
there.
go.
We're off now. Ta-da.
Oh, that's the wrong side.
You need to go that way. There we go.